TV, 4 o'clock, it's Ateneo de Manila up against FEU, and at 6 p.m. it's CVRS going up against the Philippine Army. Exciting games for you on Friday. Let me turn you over now for a courtside report from Rina. Rina.
Yes, let's get to know more about this black and orange-blooded feisty Sandugo team who calls themselves as the Lady Conquerors. From the name itself, they can conquer any challenge in this game. As Coach Roger is very proud of these 10 ladies because their asset is that they can create their individual plays. They're all born leaders and born fighters. Coach Roger described this team as a team that is lean but mean, and his dream team also. It was through Coach Roger's proposal to the Sandugo management that encouraged them to produce their own team, as shared by team manager Mr. Dennis Javier. And later on, we'll also get a chance to talk with the EVP of Sandugo. But meanwhile, I'll turn you back to the panel. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Rina. And on paper, really impressive.
Yes. True enough, ito yung dream team nga talaga tatawagin mo. The best among the best.
That's right. Dream for Coach Roger and nightmare for
the other teams. I know.
Suzanne, power tip to Alisa. Ooh!
But so far, Ateneo has been holding well. We haven't seen a very big lead yet from Sandugo, San Sebastian.
Jem Ferrer. Good serve. Ruby. Oh, cut shot from Suzanne hits the line. Well, I can just, to describe that play, it's just experience. You know, hindi naman laging all power. And Suzanne Rosas with that cut shot gives San Sebastian Sandugo a 2-point lead. From the back row, Wally!
The power in that attack just forced that error on Valdez. And just look at how many options Sandugo, San Sebastian has when it comes to attackers, when it comes to offense.
Phil with a poor reception. Now it's a free ball for Sandugo, San Sebastian. Casing. That's where she's good at. Those middle attacks. So hard to block, and doon na siya sa taas Nauna na lagi
So titignan mo nga, very minimal jump, just really reaching for the top of the ball. Ang bigat pa nung bola.
May karga talaga.
May karga.
Suzanne. Good serve. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Tejima with an offensive block. And let's remind our viewers that if you want to watch the games live, we are at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Our game days are every Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. The first match starts at 2 p.m. and we have lined up 3 matches each game day. So puro volleyball yan mula 2, and you're gonna see all the 6 teams go at it for that particular game day. So please do come in and watch the games live Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays kasi talaga naman so exciting. And we've got a lot of contests for our guests here in the Ninoy Aquino, and of course you get the chance to win Shakey's GC if you're chosen as the Shakey's face of the game.
And on top of that, of course, you know, after each and every game, most of the players actually stay at the venue to watch the game. So it's your chance also to interact with some of the players, especially your favorite ones.
What a hit from Alisa Valdez, and she went straight at Jang Buali. So tingnan natin ulit to. Look at this setup.
Power
Boom.
of the wrist.
Grabe.
And the reach, ganda kasi nung abot nitong si Valdez.
Full extension. And plus, when you come over here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium, please look for the Shakey's booth.
Yes.
Okay, because the Shakey's booth is selling those limited edition Shakey's volleyballs that they sell for only 299 pesos. So those are limited edition special volleyballs, and what you can do, bring a pentel pen with you, and you can ask all these players, your favorite players, to sign that volleyball after the game. Alisa with another great hit.
Valdez, 2 straight points. The talent that we have in this young lady. Iisipin mo, pag nakita mo siyang maglaro, iisipin mo kabatch niya yung mga seniors. But no.
Yeah.
Ito,
second year pa lang.
Second year pa lang.
Ace for Z.
So far, things are holding well here for Ateneo. Ang pinakamagandang ginagawa nila ngayon, hindi masyadong nag-e-error and they treat everything as an offense. Tulad ng service pa lang, hindi mga sure ball ang binibigay.
Ooh!
Yun ang hindi, sure ball. Sure point. Jeng Boli.
Sabi ni Jeng, ako yung original dito, na palo ng ganyang kalakas.
Well, Valdez so far has shown very impressive offense, 43% success rate when it comes to her attack.
Again, Alisa. She saw that the block was set up. First attempt, she just dumped it. Pero she recovered. Ayan, nabalik ni Suzanne. Free ball, then she hits it hard. There you go. A very close one, and here in the first set. Ganda ng play. But the block is there. Oh, good save! The ball's up. That is too close. Jeng able to save it though. Oh, good return. Ateneo has another chance.
Oh, walking Roses and Boli.
And they are really going at it. These two teams really showing us what they're made of. 16-14, Sandugo with a 2-point lead.